Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love beautiful, affordable home and party decorations, you are going to love this video. No craft experience required, no cutting, no complicated tools, even total beginners can make it successfully on the first try. This bowl is extremely versatile. You can use it for birthday backdrops, wall decor, holiday decorations, and shop window displays. It instantly creates a soft, cozy, festive atmosphere in your home and looks fantastic in photos. I will walk you through every detail step. Stick the double-sided tape first before folding, layering the large, medium and small pieces secure in the bowl, and adding decorative accents. We'll show you everything step by step. If you enjoy budget-friendly home DIY projects, stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Step E. Stick on the double-sided tape first. Then fold the bowl pieces. This order is very important. Do not get it wrong. Let's start with the large-sized bowl piece. Before folding, peel off the double-sided tape and stick it to the center of the EVA sheet. Once the tape is firmly attached, fold both sides towards the middle. Gather the left and right sides inward. Pinch the center tightly and press hard to form fixed creases. The bowl shaped this way is neat and symmetrical and will not easily spring back out of shape. Set the shaped large piece aside when finished. Next, work on the medium-sized piece using exactly the same method. Stick double-sided tape onto the center first. Then fold both sides inward. Pinch the middle and press firmly along the creases to form the medium-sized bowl. Then move on to the small-sized piece. Attach double-sided tape to its center. Fold both sides inward, pinch the middle, and form the smallest bowl shape. Now we have folded all three bowl pieces, large, medium, and small. Lay them flat on the table, and you can clearly see the beautiful layered effect from large to small. Step R. Stack and fasten the three-layer bowl. Stacking order from bottom to top. 1. Bottom layer, large size bowl piece. 2. Middle layer, medium size bowl piece. 3. Top layer, small size bowl piece. Make sure the center points of all three pieces line up perfectly. If the centers are offset, the whole bowl will look asymmetrical. After alignment, take the cable tie from the kit. Wrap it tightly around the D, center of the three pieces. Pull it as tight as possible and lock it securely. This step determines whether the bowl is sturdy and long-lasting at tight tie keeps the bow fluffy and well-shaped. Cut off the extra tail of the cable tie and tuck the remaining end to the back side. Step 3. Wrap the central waist strip. Take out the long thin EVA waist strip. Stick double-sided tape on the back of the waist strip. Peel off the protective film. Then wrap it tightly around the central knot. This fully covers the cable tie, giving the bow a clean and delicate look. Press firmly for a few seconds for a strong bond. Step 4. Attach the long ribbon tails. Take the 2 long EVA ribbon tails. Stick double-sided tape on the top of the tails. Then attach them vertically to the center on the back of the bow. If you have tool, stick the lightweight tool behind the EVA ribbons. It creates a dreamy, soft, and romantic looking bow. For large-sized bows, add extra clear tape on the back for reinforcement to prevent the ribbons from falling off. Step 5. Decorate with butterfly stickers. Now let's make the bow even prettier. Stick butterfly stickers scatter style on to the surface of the bow and tail. Avoid placing them too neatly. Random embellishments look more lively and attractive. You can also add pearls or other small decorations if you like. Step 6. Hang the bow on the wall. Wipe the wall clean. Stick the self-adhesive hook firmly in place. Wait a few seconds for the hook to adhere well. Then hang up your jam bow. This EVA foam material is lightweight, waterproof, and durable. It is ideal for home wall decor, birthday backdrops, party settings, and shop window displays, and looks fantastic in photos. Our jammed EVA bow is all finished. Look how gorgeous the final piece is. It's creates such a wonderful atmosphere as a backdrop for parties and family photos. Here are my questions for you. Would you try making this large, decoratable by yourself? What kind of party decor do you like best? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Really enjoy reading all your messages. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell on my channel. You will find easy DIY crafts, daily vlogs of Chinese wet markets, and budget-friendly home cooking recipes. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. See you next time. Bye everyone.